Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from Howlogical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to group elements into your Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to group the elements into your Canva, you just simply have to open any of your browser and open canva.com site into there, or you can directly use the Canva application into your device. Then after opening the Canva, you just simply have to create a new project or open an existing project where you want to group the elements. And after opening this project, just simply go to elements, and then I'm adding some random elements into my picture. Now I have these two elements into my project. Now in order to group them, tap into one of the elements and then hold the shift key into your keyboard. Then after that, tap into another element that you want to group. And after that, as you can see here, group option will appear. Just simply tap into that and then your elements will successfully be grouped together. This way you can easily group your elements into Canva by holding the shift key into your keyboard. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.